Today, we're at Carnegie SVRA. It's one of 8 off-highway vehicle parks in California. And we're gonna make quesadillas with a mango salsa. This was kind of an interesting find. This is a Frito's bean dip single serve, and I've never used this before, so that ought to be interesting. We got some white chicken, a lemon, some peppers. I think these are called sweet peppers, maybe? I don't know. Green onion, tomato, a lime. This is a jalapeno. I don't know how much of this we're going to use, but we're going to see how much it is. And this is one of my favorites. This is called an Anaheim Pepper, and of course a mango. Rolled up in here is very large tortillas, and I roll them in the aluminum foil so you can bend them without having them tear up while they're in your bag. So we're going to get these peppers cooking. Oh, this Anaheim, ooh, that's hot. That's hot. All right, let's get going with this mango. This is an interesting thing. There is such a way as a proper way to cut a mango, it turns out. Probably not going to do it the proper way, so we'll see. And what I learned was, one of the tricks is you can cut this bit off the bottom, and that makes it so it stands up flat, like that. And then there's things, now that you have to cut the seed is a long oblong, I think goes the length of the fruit. But the fruit has cheeks and fingers, and we're going to have to cut the cheeks and fingers off. So let's carefully cut along the side and see if we can get one cheek off without hitting the seed. Wow, that one's hot. Okay. A little bit more in that one. I like to get it when it gets all this black stuff on here. And we're going to put it in this pot and let it sit for a while. Now it becomes soft and we can peel that off before we cut it up. Put that in there. Let that sit. Alright, so we got the Fritos thing. I said I'm kind of interested about this. I couldn't pass it up, saw it in the store. But we are going to open up this can of chicken. Now let's be careful, these edges are really sharp. And we're going to use this to get the liquid out of there, the water. These are packed in water. And we're going to season that up a little bit. Pollo Asado seasoning I found in the cupboard. I'm going to put some in there and let that soak for a while. Mix that up. Okay, let's set that aside. Hot. I'm going to make this one a little hotter than normal. I think I'm going to throw a couple extra seeds in there. Okay. Now, I think what we need now is a little bit of cilantro. And, you gotta be careful with cilantro because, anything that's kind of leafy green, things like that, because it can wilt pretty quickly. I took a big chunk and stuck them in here, and knowing that it was I might lose a few of them on the travel, and those look like they traveled pretty well, so happy about that. Let's put some green onions. Forgot about the green onion. Let's put some of that in there. I really like cilantro. Some people don't like cilantro, and it's funny, it's one of those things you always hear, like, people who like cilantro love it, and people who don't like it say it tastes like, well, soap. And I read something in Scientific American once about that somebody had done some taste bud study and found different known configurations of 3 different types of taste buds selectors, and they were able to pretty easily identify and be able to determine if somebody was going to like cilantro or not. I thought that was kind of interesting. Obviously we're going to have cheese in our quesadilla today, so I got some cheesecloth here, but I'm going to use it to strain this lemon and lime to keep it from getting seeds in the nice mango salsa. So let's take off, let's see about that much. So all you do is you unravel it here, and I guess I took more than I really needed, but that's okay. And we're going to squeeze in lemon. Hopefully catch all the seeds out of there. There we go. Oh, that one had a lot of seeds. Alright, let's give that a stir. See how that comes out. Oh, that doesn't look good. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it looks so good. We're going to let that lime juice sit in there for a while and sort of spread the flavors around. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's put some tahini in here. This is sort of the secret part. Is having the tahini. Just put a little bit. There we go. Stir that up. All right, let's see how our chilies are doing. Oh yeah, they're still hot. I don't know if you can see this. All I'm doing is I'm pulling this black bits off. Not all of it, most of it. I mean, it does give a little bit of flavor, that charcoal flavor. And these ones, you know, these are really mild, so you can leave the seeds in these ones. Let me see if I can cut it right down the center and lay it flat. Oh, that came out. Look at that. All right. I think it's time to start making our quesadilla. Oh, cheese. We need to have some cheese, don't we? Let's get some cheese going. I know you guys were probably laughing at me when I said I'd bring in a cheese grater. Let's get this going. Oh, it's nice and warm. Look at that. Oh. All right. And oh, here goes nothing with this. Oh, that's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Just put a little bit. Oh, it's starting to burn. Too warm. Let's take that off there. Let that cool down a little bit. We can fold this up over here. Boy, that is sizzling. That looks like a little crispy there. Maybe I'll just scrape some of that off. Remember a kid when you'd make toast and you get a little bit burnt in the toaster and you have to take it over the sink and scrape the burned stuff off? I might have to do that with this quesadilla. Let's get the cheese melted in there. Oh, there it is. I see it coming out. Let's get this in here. Oh, it's still hot. All right. Let's see how this looks inside. It all the way through. These plates are the palm plates made from palm leaves, and that mango salsa just smells so good. What do you think? Not bad for being out on a motorcycle and making dinner. So that's the chicken quesadilla and mango salsa. I'm gonna dig into this and then see if I can get a little ride in before the sun goes down.